So how many statements are correct here? So GDP accounts for all production within domestic territory. So GDP concept. So D itself is mentioning domestic territory regardless of producer's nationality. So even KFC, it is owned by USA. Whatever they produce in India, that is calculated as part of India's GDP. Statement 1 is correct. So GNP, gross national product. Here nationals means the owners of produce must be Indian. Foreigners should be excluded. So GNP equals to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. So capturing resident income globally. So GNP equals GDP plus net factor income. So that is correct. So GNP is always is equal to the pharma itself saying. So GNP is equal to GDP plus net factory income from abroad. So this is the plus. GNP is equal to GDP plus NFIA. So statement 2 also correct. So India is officially reports GNP as headline macroeconomic indicator. So GNP only we are taking, or GDP we are officially taking. So GDP is the official one, not the GNP. So wherever officially we are using, that is related to GDP, not the GNP. Comparison purpose or budget document or any kind of projections always mentioned as the GDP, not the GNP. So what are all the correct means? GNP can be lower than the GDP. So GNP can be lower than the GDP if foreigner income in India exceeds Indian income abroad. So GDP, so foreigner income. So here foreigner income, so minus Indian income. So GNP is equal to GDP plus foreigner income minus Indian income. This is we called as a net factor income from abroad. So now you can see GNP can be lower than the GDP if foreigner income in India exceeds. Foreigner income in India exceeds means GNP is always lower. Okay, the money going from India is higher means it is GNP is lower than the GDP. GNP can be lower than the GDP if foreigner income in India is exceeds the Indian income, Indians earned income from abroad. So how many are correct here? Statement 1 correct, statement 2 correct, statement 3 incorrect. So statement 4. So that is also correct. So now you can see, so GNP here foreigner income, it is more. Indian income is less. Then what would happen? For this we are adding less. GNP value is higher than the GDP. Understand? So how do you want to know this one?